guys! So we're here now to present you a new video tutorial about some random math topic. We're going to choose 2 out of 16 topics that our math teacher discussed last time. Already choose 2 topics and it is geometric means and geometric sequence. So after choosing 2 topics, we're going to a remedial class to teach some of my classmates because I'm the one who is assigned today to teach them about the 2 chosen topics. Start! And this is the class where I'm going to teach. Let's go! So I'm going to teach you now how geometric sequence and geometric means works.
A geometric sequence is a sequence of numbers in which the ratio of any term after the first term to the preceding term is a fixed number called common ratio. 2, 4, 8, 16. This is a geometric sequence with a common ratio of 2. If the set of numbers between 2 given numbers will form a geometric sequence, then the numbers are called geometric means. In the given geometric sequence, the geometric mean between 3 and 6, 12, 24, 48, 96, and 192. We can use the common ratio to find the missing terms in the geometric means.